Hey guys, Tisa Hi, back again with another video, and as you can see from the title, it's just a mini Sacha Cosmetics haul. I really just wanted to try all of their recent lip velvets that they just released. These are all the new shades, so I got all of them. This is the first time. Normally I just pick and choose which one I might like the most, but I just wanted to show you all swatches and how it looks on my lips. I'll show you the other things, which is not a lot really. It's really very mini. I wanted a new sponge, a blending sponge. Recently Sacha released the mini blending sponges, which I also wanted, and I tried them out, and it's perfect for going into little corners and small spaces, and the sponges are soft and really easy to use, and even better when it's wet. So these were nice. Also I wanted a lash curler, so I got one of these as well from Sacha, and that's it. Other than that, it's just the lip velvets, which we're going to get into right now. So the first one we're going to swatch is called I've Got a Nude Attitude. I've got a nude attitude. Whew. Right, so let me just show you on my hand. Swatch it on my lips. What do you think? I think this is the first time I tried a nude lipstick that literally just disappeared. My lips, where my lips gone? This is interesting. I think I like it. I mean, for the purpose of this video, I just want to do the lips alone without any lip liner or anything like that, so you could just see it. So this is the I've Got a Nude Attitude. Next up we have My Secret Life. This one is a pretty, this one is pink. I'll show you what it looks like on my hand first. Okay, My Secret Life is very pink. So a color like this, I usually would mix it with something darker or a darker lip liner, because for my complexion, it's probably just in my head. You tell me, comment below and let me know what you think about this one. It's pretty, but I'll probably mix it with something else. So far the nude one wins for me, so let's keep it going. Up next we have Knock Them Out. So this is a wine colored, yeah, let's see, because I like wine colored. This is like a it's a red, but it looks red on me, but like a dark, like a ox blood red. Ooh, matching my hair nicely too. Yeah. Oh God. This is a sexy color. Yeah. And I don't know, I had a lot of their lip velvets from before when they first launched, and this formula seems as if they've improved. It dries instantly like the last one, but it doesn't feel tacky. Some of them used to kind of feel like that. You used to have to really double up on your lip balm, but this feels really good. Really good. Look at it. And even without a lip liner. All right, I'm not get carried away. Okay, so this is my first favorite so far. Okay, up next, Unmask Me. Unmask Me is also a nude, but with a pink undertone. The other one was like nude. So I don't know if this is for me. It makes yeah, this is something I would not wear normally at all. No, I wouldn't wear this color, absolutely not by itself. So just like the pink, I would definitely like use this as a, if I want an ombre look, like a ombre lip. Hey, so yeah, that was the Unmask Me. So last two, Pass It On is next. Another pink, but like a dusty rose pink. I'm not sure if I like it because it's looking not bad at all when I look at it here in the mirror, but then when I look in the camera, I'm not sure. Let me know what do you think. It's pretty though. It is pretty, like with a nice burgundy mauve lip liner. This will be nice. So the last one for now is called Too Much Drama. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is like a bright red. OMG. Yeah, no. This is also right next to the other one, which is the lightest pink that I put on. And you know, I might see this on somebody else and be like, oh, that's a nice lipstick. Yeah. Which one is your favorite? Like, are you getting any of these lip velvets? Are you not bothering because you're gonna be wearing a mask anyway, so why bother? My favorite definitely is the Knock Them Out, and I absolutely love the nude. I've got a nude attitude. My Secret Life is okay as well. Yeah, and the others, not my favorite. Like, this is Not one of my favorites. I might keep this one. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for stopping by yet again, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.